This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling typing keyboard to piano keyboard so your computer keys act as a MIDI input. Click the toolbar icon or press Ctrl+T. This toggles the mode. Next, select the instrument channel or VSD you want to play so FL Studio routes the keys correctly. While focused on the plugin window, set octave and velocity controls. This changes pitch and dynamics. Do this now so every subsequent step sends notes to the right place and avoids common routing mistakes. Once you have the instrument selected, adjust octave with Z and X so you're in the right pitch range. This prevents accidental low or high notes. Use Q and W to nudge velocity and match dynamic feel, because keyboard velocity maps differ from real controllers. Make sure the piano roll and plugin are set to the same key mapping so notes align when you record. Also enable record arm and the on-screen LED indicators. These confirm MIDI activity and avoid silent takes during live takes. Now record directly with the typing keyboard by arming the track and hitting record. You'll hear and capture notes in the piano roll. After recording, use quantize, snap, and ghost notes to tighten timing and refine chords. This speeds editing and preserves musical intent. If playback is silent, confirm the audio device, mixer routing, and that typing keyboard is still enabled. Also make sure the plugin window has focus. If problems persist, toggle Ctrl+T off and on, then reselect the channel to reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.